Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a video regarding YSwigs. This is a new company that I tried, and y'all, they got my life all the way together. This unit is in their body wave texture and it's in 200% density. It's so voluminous and it's gorgeous, y'all. This is a 360 lace frontal unit, so for those who are novice to the wig game, there is lace around the entire circumference of the unit. It comes with 2 combs on the side, one in the middle, which you don't need, and there's one at the bottom for added security. So if you don't want to glue this unit down, you can use the combs or sew on an elastic band. So I want to show you guys what the unit looks like up close. It does come with baby hair right out of the package. Before doing anything, this is what it looks like. Y'all, save yourself some time. You don't have to spend a boatload of time tweezing the hairline. Unit that already comes with a pre-plucked hairline. So right now we're going to hide the knots with our Deep Glow airbrush finish leg spray from Sally Hansen. I do this all the time. You're just going to spray it on and then stipple it on with a foundation brush. After you're finished with that, spray on some water. It'll help you to be able to manipulate the front hairline a little better in order to prep. Now you are going to have to wipe away some of the excess airbrush spray because it will be on the hair, so just wipe that away. And after you've done that, create a part where you desire for it to be. I wanted a side part, and then I just sprayed in order to get the unit to lay flatter. And listen, this hairline is amazing. So I'm just spraying more water and showing you guys how ridiculous this hairline looks. And now I'm going to create some baby hair. Now they did already have baby hair included in this hairline in the construction, but I wanted to shorten them a bit so that I can make them look a bit more natural, because my baby hair is not that long and most individuals don't have baby hair that long. So I sprayed on some mousse in order to flatten everything out and to help the hair to be a little more pliable. And now I'm just manipulating the baby hair to get them to flow in the manner that I desire. I'm also using my razor as needed in order to shorten them. In addition to using the mousse, I also decided to use some spritz, which is really going to help to hold my baby hair in place, especially because I'm doing my prep prior to putting it on my head. This is one of the first times that I've done this much work prior to actually installing, but I like this method better because when I actually put it on my head, I have so much less to do. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, cutting away the baby hair to shorten them using my razor, and then also applying mousse and the spritz, and then molding them using my edge brush. So I'm just gonna let you all watch that process.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Alright, so now it's time to do the stocking cap method. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your edges are nice and sleek, because you don't want any hair to be in the way as you're going about the application process. So I slicked it down with the black Got2b glue, and after doing so, I'm pulling my stocking cap forward, and this one is more so my scalp color. After I started applying the gel and then realized the sides were not sticking the way that I wanted, so I just placed a hole near the ear and then just pulled my ear through. And I saw this method done by Glamazotay. I was just blown away by how awesome of a strategy it is. If you just poke a hole and continue to make a larger hole and then fit that area around your ear, it allows for the sides near your sideburns to actually lay down flat like it should. So it's a really, really good technique. So I'm so glad that she shared that on her channel. So I'm just continuing to apply the gel so that the stocking cap is nice and secure. After I've done that, I'm using my blow dryer on the cool setting. When it is dry, which can take about 5 to 10 minutes, then I'm going to cut away the extra cap. And this is going to really help to camouflage my hair and cause the area under the unit to look more scalp-like. It also helps to protect your edges from any adhesive. Now, I'm not actually using glue. I'm going to be using Got2b glue in the yellow bottle, but it's less damaging when you're using the stocking cap. Now it is extra work and you don't have to do all this, so I'm not encouraging you to do that, but if you want a really natural look, this is a very good option. So this is what we're looking like currently. I'm going to continue around the entire parameter of my hairline. After I've done that, I'm going to cut the extra lace, or I'm sorry, stocking cap in the back. After the stocking cap is secured and you cut everything away, use alcohol in order to clean around the stocking cap. This is going to help your glue to lay much better, or your got-to-be glue, which is a gel. After doing this, I'm just going to alter the color of the stocking cap a bit so that it blends better with my skin tone by using my face powder. And this is color dark, I believe, in my Fit Me face powder. After completing this process, I'm just going to cut away the excess lace around my unit, and then we're going to be ready to install. Alright, so I went and got all glammed up off camera. Now I'm ready to install the unit. So I'm just going to put it on, and you're going to see that right away, putting this unit on, it already looks awesome. Before even actually using adhesive in order to secure it down, it looks great. But I'm going to be using the got-to-be glue in the yellow bottle. I'm just going to place 2 layers around the entire hairline, and I'm doing this, I started with my fingers and then realized that's not the best strategy because the oils can actually create white residue. So I just grabbed a plastic utensil in order to complete the process of applying the got-to-be glue. After I've completed it around the entire perimeter, I'm going to use my blow dryer on the cool setting to allow for it to get tacky. So you don't want it to get all the way dry, just tacky. So you can kind of touch it to see if it is, and then once that has occurred, you can begin pulling it forward.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. You see that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you. I want you.
Okay, so now it's time for the big reveal. I'm now going to take off the hairband that I used in order to set the front hairline, and this is one of my best installs thus far. Getting a unit that already comes with a flawless hairline really eliminates so much time and energy that you would naturally have to spend in order to customize the unit yourself. I really don't understand why people do that. And you can still customize this one more if you desired, but starting with one that has already been pre-plucked as well as this one is a very, very good idea. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, guys. Be sure to check the description box for all the details on this YSwigs. I am so happy to bring you guys companies that have really, really awesome units, and this one is one of them. I love this one so much, and I hope that you all enjoyed the new technique for your stocking cap method that I showed you guys that I learned from Glamazotay, who is bomb. So be sure to check the description box, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.